dito pala ang magana.
Akin tayo. Maganda tingnan.
Wala pa, agad.
Oh, yan ang speaker.
Si Marvin.
Okay. Ano? Kailan?
Ha?
Sulat na.
Yung mga pangalan natin.
Number na lang muna.
Walang number.
Okay, go.
Sa waiver.
Ready?
Ang laki ng speaker tayo dito.
Oh.
Gary, magpapadisko yata itong si Raquel. Laki ng speaker, oh. Hindi ko sunod yan. Balas tayo 30. Balas tayo. Nako, pati next time, pero magpapadisko tayo dito.
Parang may disco tayo.
Kayo lang, gawin ko. Hindi naman pati next time, oh. Pangan 77. Ini na pala ya. Sagad na pala. So, dali. Ayan. Okay. Sagad na. Oh, dyan dito. Saktaan na naman yun. Sabay ko pa ito. Dito.
Ang dami gusto. Iabot ang wire natin. Mababa. Wire, di abot.
Ay.
Sa taas mo.
Iangat at dyan.
Oo, pwede naman. Anong gusto mo? Sige lang. Ano tanggal? Parang may disco tayo dito ngayon.
Tapon to eh.
Ay, bawal mo muna inaayos pa.
Dito mo dito pwede oh.
Oh, nice one. Nice, pang real.
6-0 score.
Nice one.
Mali ang nadala ko ng...
Ay!
Mali ang nadala ko.
minutes.
Nakaano na.
Ayun naman ulit.
Sub. 4 minutes na. Sub.
Oo, ang haba naman.
Play.
Dito ka na.
Oh, palit tayo tayo, Jazz.
Oo,
Doon
dito
ka sa
ka.
kanila.
Hindi, dito. Oo nga, yung doon sa tapat ng speaker mo, baka mabingaw
May mic.
ako dyan.
Oo, pinigil ka.
Dito na lang ako sa kabila. Bibingaw ako.
Down, number 30.
Sigarin ka pa sa kabila?
8-0 score.
Busaing, hindi mo busaing. Bote po.
Nice one. Oh!
Sab! Akula! Out! Busaing in! Pasok! Akin!
Para makaikot. Para makabalik. Ako mukata na yung bro, 1 minute lang ako.
Zero?
8-0 score.
Napapahinga lang. Go, Tito Ga.
Kaming coach siya.
Ah!
10-0.
Kaya pala hindi matawagan. Nag-stretching. Ayaw mas ko na kabila. Lakon! Time out lang.
Ay, nagre-referee pala si ano, yung maliit. Ano?
Just like 1, 2, 3. Good morning, everyone. Our official score, we have 10-0. Official time, we have 6 minutes and 10 seconds for one. First quarter. Magdidisco mo tayo hanggang maghapon.
Anyas ko din siya. Isa number na.
Okay, back to the ball game. We have official score, 10-0. Inbound by jersey number 44, pass to number 23, Lopez. Look for a pass in the corner, 5 from the downtown. Douglas. Inbound by number 29, number 2 pass to number 18 now. Pass to number 6. Nice drive. Okay, out of bounds. We have 5 minutes and 50 remaining time.
Ako dyan, mabibingi ako dyan.
Kaya nga umalis ako. Hanggang pa sa likod dyan.
Official score 10-0. We have 5 minutes and 39 remaining time. First corner. In the corner, number 18. In the corner, back to number 18. Ay! Wrong. Pass to number 11. Nasa harapan. Easy. No good. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 77. Lewis. Oh. Pass to number 7. Should be 7-5 from the downtown. Good backhand. Rebound by number 6. Up. Rebound. Number 8.
Nice
Easy
one.
points. Official score 12-0. With 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. First quarter. Number 6. Pass to the corner. Number 31. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21. Push the ball. Foul to number 44. Kaya naman pala, ano? Kaya pala naman pala na late eh. Our official score, we have 14. We have 4 minutes and 40 remaining time. First quarter pa lang po tayo, mga kaibigan.
Tito ka, labas ka na. Kunin mo yung kape natin.
Patay tayo dyan. Number 81. Number 6, find the outside. The one, number 21. Easy riba. Long pass to number 18. Pass to number 44. Oy, pinapasok! Number 44. Ibang kalaban. Official score down to 16-0. What happened? 4 minutes and 13. 4 minutes and 13. 15 on the shot clock. In the corner. 5 from Rinaldan. He's nobody. 144 all around. Number 23 now with 3 on 2. Number 10, Lopez. Side step. No good. The ball is on. Substitution. Tawag. Official score, we have 16-0.
Kunin mo yung kape natin dyan.
3 minutes and 41.
Dito ka. Dito ka. Labas ka ng dalawa. Kunin mo na yung kape natin.
Fall up for number 30. 2 points. An easy 2 point. Ayan ang mga kaibigan. 18-0. Hindi pa nakaka-score po. We have 3 minutes and 25 remaining time. First quarter. Number 18. Pass to number 31. Lopez by number 32. 15 on the shot clock. Oh, still by number 18. Number 18 now. Fair post. Pass to number 8. Yay! Number 19. What a play. 20-0. We have 3 minutes more to play. 3 minutes.
Break the record. Isang quarter, walang score.
Number 31. Rebound.
Isang buong quarter, walang
Number
score.
23. Pass to number 19. Low pass to number 18. No score. 2 minutes and 43. 20-0. Record on the record.
Bigyan ka lang prito, sinunod. Ay, dalawang balik na. Pag di kayo naka-score, titigil na ha.
Number 11 now. Low pass. Dumaan sa gitna. Wala pa rin. Ang hirap pakakuha ng score. Number 19, 1-1. Nakakalusot. Number 19, easy to! Tumaba sa number 30. We have 2 minutes and 14 remaining time. 2 minutes and 11. Nice move by number 18. Dumaan sa gitna. Pasa sa ilalim. Sa number 6. Nice move! Wala. Natapik. Out of bounds. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It's still intercepted by number 18. Pass to number 11. 1 minute and 50. Pass to number 31. From the free throw line. Wow! This time, 2 points, number 31. 1 minute and 38 remaining time. Number 20, Lopez. Take out to number 19. Pass to number 9. Number 30, Stephen Curry. 1 minute and 29 with 22-20. Official score. What a ball game. Number 21 now. 15 on the shot clock. And 3 points. Back-to-back points by number 31 with 5 points to men. We have 22-5. 1 minute and 10. Number 23. Pass to, no, pass to, sa ilang kilig. Tumili number 19. Short. Rebound by number 6. We have 1 minute 45. Number 32. Pass to number 18. Pass to ilalim number 31. Pass to ilalim. May natawagan ng foul. 2 free to po tayo. Foul number 23. First personal foul. First team foul. We have under a minute, 47 seconds remaining time, 22-5. 2 free throw awarded with number 11. Wala. With 47 remaining time, 22-5. Second row, ready for rebound.
Matindi, 20-0.
Okay, 6-2 with 47 remaining time, 47 seconds. Number 19. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 18. No score. Pick up by number 6. We have 33 seconds for the fight. Number 31. Nakalibang point. Uy, easily up! Uy! Sayang sa ilalim. 25 seconds. We have 1 minute 1 second, different shot clock and 2 clock. Aguila number 18, number 9, 30 points.
Nice one.
Okay, 24. We have 15 seconds more to play. Shot clock is off. Number 19, naka-steal. Rebound by Scott Reese. We have 9 seconds. Pass to number 23. Wala pa rin. 5 seconds. It's the end of our first quarter. Official score 24-6. What a quarter. What a first quarter now, eh? Tabok din, no? Okay.
Hawak ko lang.
Hapon po tayo mga kaibigan ng basketball dito sa IPSA. International Philippine Dance. International Philippine School in Altomar. May butas ka na? Our two officials, we have President Mr. Marlon and Mr. Ray and Mr. Joel. Okay, back to the starting off for second quarter. Official score in the first quarter, we have 24-6. 12 points. Okay, foul by number 28. Pass to number 31. Intercepted by number 23. Topes, number 23, Binangga.
Wow.
Top 26. 6. Yes, it is here. We would like to thank our sound system, Mr. Koy. Yes. Wow! This is number 32. Oh, takbong ma... Oy! Takbong mayaman, no?
Ang ganda ng tira, pangit na mukha.
Okay, official score, we have 56. The first goal ni Busaki, hindi bawasan. Lumang may number 20, pass to number 18. Long pass number 18, number 31. Magandang tira, wala. Rebound by number 23. Number 23 na long pass to number 14. Ortilla. Pass to number 44. Busaki. Shot clock out to be kicked.
Oh!
Yes, foul, committed. Running to see number. Masama yung bagsak.
Punta na yun, nakadalawa na eh.
Nagkakaroon. Okay,
Dalawa
first
lang.
foul, number 32. First team foul. Unang na, number 21. Nugget. Ready for rebound. Yes, connect. Official score 27-8. Number 18. Pass number 6-15 on the shot clock. And from the down top, 3 points. Number 6 first 3 points. By number 6, Hey, ayan mo mga kaibigan, 27-11 of the score. We have 10 minutes and 30 remaining time. Mahaba pa kung mapunas. Nasa second quarter pa tayo namin. Kakay by number 21. 15 of the shot on the shot clock. Number 29. Pass to number 18. Number 80 now. Nasa harapan si number 45 sa ilalim number 31. Tawagan ng foul. Kunting ingat lang po. Foul wearing jersey number 14. Kunti na lang. 27-11. Kunti na lang 16 points. First personal foul. Number 14. Orpilla. First team foul. Baseline inbound. We have 10 minutes more to play. We have 2 minutes gone by in the second quarter. Number 28 now. Guarded by number 12. Pumikot. Ay, napunta sa pick point! Sa ilalim. Rebound. Back up on the rebound. Number 10. Number 15. Shot clock down to 14. Tubingan na naman. Back up on the natapik. Palabas. Out of bounds. In the part of team number 28. Wala kay katawan. Ginaan. Oy, natapik niya. Out of bounds. Sayang. 27-11 official score. 15 on the shot clock. For the jumper. Just out by number 18. Number 18 now. Nagmamadali. Dumaan sa gitna. Dire-diretso. May nakapik. Walang tawag mga kaibigan. Pass to number 20. 7-7. Sinasagin ko tayo number 44. Sa gitna. Number 21. Lubos. Pasa ilalim. 14. Easy play the roll. Hindi po kumagat. Medyo bago. Number 29. Rebound. Number 28 now. Dire-diretso. Pass to number 18. Step back. Tumira. Bato. Sa kanila pa rin. Oh, yung rebound po sa number 23. Pass to number 14. Or pinapass to sa ilalim.
Wala, dito ka.
Bumito! Talaga kayo, huminto, no? Ayan po mga kaibigan, official score ng 30-11. We have 8 minutes and 16 remaining time. Second quarter. Number 6. 15 on the shot clock. Number 6 now. Catching number 28. Dumaan sa kita. Medyo malaki na. Bato po the rebound. Number 23 is control the rebound. Low pass to number 44. Ayan na naman. Uy! Kailangan Arpegia is low. Rebound with number 6. Long pass to number 28 to number 18 sa ilalim. 31. Wala pa rin. Ayan, outbound. Substitution. Tawag. We have 7 minutes and 42 remaining time. 30-11 of the score. We have 17 seconds on the shot clock. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Arpisa. Wala sa white game. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Oh, may natawagan to. Shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Number 20. Ang ganda ng cut-in. Loose ball number 77. 77 now. Nasa harapan. Pass to number 19. Walang pati nagkasahan. Tumira pass to number 30. An easy back. No, the board. 2 points. Number 30. Official score. We have 32-11 with 6 minutes and 50 remaining time. Second quarter. Number 11 now. Pass to number 8. 5 from the downtown. 15 on the shot clock. Nobody. Rebound by number 29. Using the gap. Back over the foul is on this number. Oh! May natawag. May natawag. Foul. Very jersey number. Foul number 23. Charge timeout. Tabok. Light, Kasim, and Abo. Dark. Okay, so far we have 32-11. Thank you very much. Boys! We have 3 minutes and 34 remaining time. Kawin Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa mga sponsor na dito. Okay, back to the ballgame. Two Reno awarded to number 29. Official score 32-12 with 20 points. Yes, followed by number 29. Ang ganda pong pagkapasa. Kanya yung free throw, sakap yung follow-up. Official score 14-32. Ayan po mga yung number 19. 500 long shot! Ayan, pick up by number 19 now. Aguila. Number 19, goal jumper. Never. Rebound by number 17. Number 28 now, drive. Easy. Naman pa ito po pick up by number 6. Number 6 na pa, number 11. Natawagan po ng foul. Illegal use of hand foul wearing jersey number 7-7. Luka. 2 free throw awarded number 11. We have 35-14. Official score 35-14. Wala. Nag-vintage mga kaibigan. 5 minutes and 43 remaining time. Second quarter. First half. Second row, ready for rebound. Number 11. Yes! 15-35. Kunti lang yan. We have 5 minutes and 30 minutes remaining time. Number 19, pass to number 7. Shot clock 15. Number 7, 5 from the down top. Uy! Easy na easy. Ayaw by number 18. Sa kanilang control rebound, we have 5 minutes and 20 remaining time. Uy, nagkasalamat. Number 26, 28. Oh, using the bagay, mga kaibigan. 2 points, 17-35. Ang ganda ng echo. Dumidikit ang mga kaibigan. 35, 17, 5 minutes, more to play. 5 minutes. Number 14, natawa na sa ilalim. Legal use of hands. Foul number 11. Number 11, first personal foul. Second team foul. Ano pa? A foul by number 30, pass to number 19, by number 24. Fire! Back to the rebound. Number 28. Pass to number 29. Number 29, pass to number 6. Using the rebound. Sa kanya pa rin rebound. Using the ball. Yes, 2 points. Number 6. Tabok with 4 minutes and 16. Official score 35-19. Oh, Tabok, wala nang timeout? Okay, Tabok team, wala nang timeout sa light. You have 1 more timeout in the first half. Kung sino yung nilalamigan, mayroon po tayong kape dito. Serve your own self lang po. Okay, back to the game. We have 4 minutes and 16 remaining time. 35-19 official score. First half, second quarter. Okay, number 19, yan. Number 19. Pass to number 24. Pass by number 30. Almost close to ball. Pick up by number 19. Sunrock number 12. First move. Wala. Pass to number 6. Number 6 now. Look up, kaki by number 8. Low score, pick up. Uy! Sa kanya pa rin. Tumikot. Saka pa na-out. Ang hirap. Number 18. Ay, number 19 now. 1-1 by number 18. Wala makita pa sa pass in the corner. Number 7. Ang ganda ng back out. Diba by number 13. 10 to shoot. Now to 5. On the shot clock. In the city by number 6. Good. Most is good. Pass to number 19. Number 19 pass to number 06. Tumiritso. Ay! Patay ito ko. Number 28. Easy to win. Basket count in 1. Basket count. Foul number 77. Substitution. Tawag. Substitution. Okay. Good na. Bonus play to make a 3-point play na number 28. Official score 35-21. 35-21. 3 minutes. More to play. 3 minutes. Okay. Wala. Okay, substitution. Awat. Number 77 out. Number 20 in. We have 2 minutes and 50. 2 minutes 50. Akula. Number 19. No running man. No pass to number 24. Uzi. Wala na kasi Akula. Kasi number 18. Number 80 now. Pass to number 28. Back to number 18. Guarded by number 19. Wala makita pa katputa. Pass ilalim number 18. Nakita. Umikot. Pass ilalim. We have 12 seconds in the shot clock. Number 6 all alone. 2 minutes to pull up jumper. Using the glass number by number 9. At 23. Number 23. Nagmamadali. Nakita niya, oh, papasailarin! Innocent by number 18. Mga ganda-ganda pagkakakaw. Number 28 now. Number 28. Nagbaling by umikot. Uy, nakuha ko na. Punta ka niya pa rin. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 23. 1 minute and 58. Number 24. Ronaldo. Rebound by number 18. Number 80 now. We have 1 minute and 45 remaining time. 16 on the shot clock. Number 15. Wow, parang aling kainit ka. Wow. Kaya kung makaibigan, 1 minute and 38 after number 80. Umikot! Anyone back it down. That's the young power with the number 18. 06, sorry. 06, number 06. Official score, third level, 21. Now by 16, a minute and 32 remaining time. Bonus to be to Mr. Per Suzy, very first in the ring to make a 3-point play. 1 minute and 32. 3-point play by number 18. Official score 21-38. We have a minute and 24 remaining time. Number 18. Look for opening line. Video. That's number 11. Shot clock down to 15. Number 18 from the downtown. In and out. Wow. Rebound by number 18. Love number 19. Number 14. Easy one lah. Number 91. We have extra minutes. We have 58 seconds for the play. Number 18. Uy, sa ilalim pinasa number 29. Wala pa rin ang hirap. Makita ng kulang. Oh, basket ng number 29. 23. Okay, so score 28. At 38-20. 40 seconds more than 40 seconds. Number 14. Basket down. Okay, we have 25 seconds more play. We have 5 seconds difference between the shot clock and the game clock. 20 seconds more. 15 on the shot clock. Easy, not good. 13, shot clock is off. 10. Wala ka. Yeah, basket. 7 seconds. Now to 5. It's the end of our first half. Official score 40-25 with 50 points. Team Tabuk. After this, after the fourth. Okay, open kit na tayo. Bailin na, open kit na. Okay, starting now for third quarter official score, we have 40-25, 50 points, lead by Tabuk team. Number 77, pass on the downtown, back over rebound by number 6. Number 6 now pass to number 18. Number 18 pass to the top. Then Aguila Fraga. First to number Light. Hindi naman tinanggal niya rin eh. Okay, back to the movement. 20-25, 25-40 official score. Sa ilalim ng tapay. Bounce, we have 11 on the shot clock and 11 on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 10. Tumira ba? Oh, wala. Short foul by number 11. Number 11 now. Tatlo ang patay. 2 minutes. So, dinaan sa lakasan. Yung sila. Kaya naman mga kaibigan. 27-40. Ayan na, bumaba na po. Nakakuha na po sila ng score mga kaibigan. First point in the third quarter, 27-40. Number 30, pass to number 24. 15 on the shot clock. Number 30. Nakailang punto rin. Pito na ang puntos number 30 mga kaibigan. We have 42-27. Number 18. 15 on the shot clock. No post by number 29. Malit ang batay. Back to number 3. Tumira number 11. Short. Ibang by number 24. Orpilla. Nasa harapan number 18. Hindi hinubaya mga kaibigan. Hindi nakapasok. Pass coming pass to number 30. Ayan! Short! Ayan. Shot clock down 14. Number 7 now. Pass to number 24. Shot clock down to 10. Number 10 sa ilalim ang ganda. Oh! Nice pick by number 30. Wala lang. Sayang na sayang. Oy. Number 18. Number 18 pass to number 11. Nagmamadali. Diretso. Oh! May banggaan. Ay! Nakaposition ko. Out of bounds. Shot clock 15. 15 on the shot clock. 14-40, sorry. 14 on the shot clock. Official score 42-27. 14 on the shot clock. Number 20, 32. Tumira. Number 30 now. Football ring on. Number 7. Go back to number 14. Orpilla. Tumaan. Wala. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola sa kabila. Okay, we have 9 minutes and 30 remaining time. Third quarter na pala ngayon. 42. Ano na ang number 6. Wala na rin. Rebound all along number 24. Number 24 now. May control po. Lamang po sila mga kaibigan. Tumira sa 3 points. Walang duda mga kaibigan. Uy, walang mag-iripar. Rebound by number 7. Kick up to number 7. Pasa ilalim. Ang ganda ng pasahan mga kaibigan. Number 7 to number 7. Sign. Collecting the 2 point. 44-27. 8 minutes, 45 seconds for the night. Number 28. 6 shots. Yes, good. 2 points. 29-44. Okay, no problema. Ang kaitin po tayo, start po tayo. Registered na po. Registered po tayo. Number 24. 14 on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 10. Back to number 24. Back in number 30. Ayun na naman. Rebound number 18. Low pass. Number 11. Andun si number 2. Uy, sa kanya pa yung bola. Kunin mo na. Number 28. Easy up. One na in and out. What a play. Foul pass to number 14. Pass to number 30. Natawagan po na bawal. Is a knock-off shooting of foul. Narinig ko si number 32. Substitution. Tawag ko. Tawag. Official score 29-34. Okay, no problem. Okay, recorded. Bala, ano niya?
Wala ka.
Balasa.
Wala ka.
Balasa. Kaya, malapit na. Wala. Rebound by number... yung kuntulong sa ilalim. Number 9. 46-25. Lumaki na po naman. Bumubol na mga kaibigan. 7 minutes and 45 remaining time. Number 18. Pass number 6. Ayan. 3-point line in the corner. Wala. Rebound by number 22. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 18. Step back. Wala. Rebound by number 18 sa kanyang rebound. Nasa corner. Pass number... ay, ganda. Sa ilalim. Number 9. Nabitawan ng mula. Buti na nakuha mga kaibigan. Shot clock number 15. Ang ganda ng ikot. Bantay! Kapapasok lang mga kaibigan. Nakakuha rin ito. 40-29. 7 minutes for the way. 7 minutes. Number 28. Pass to number 6. Ang ganda ng... Ang ganda ng mga kaibigan. Oy! Number 28. Number 88. Pass to number 28. Side step. This time, wala pa rin. malas na naman, oh. 6 minutes and 49 remaining time. Number 19, pass to number 8, back to number 44, back to number 18. Wala! Rebound by number 18 na, oh. Sayang, rebound by number 20 na. Ayan na. Pangalawa, oh, bigot. Wala pa rin! Pick up ko na. Wala pa rin by number 44. Pag pinabayas ka nga, number 44, diri-diri sa pumakay. Left-hand dito. Kalawin ito. Sayang. Sayang na sayang. Thompson, up! Nagawa na po ng foul. Who's favorite? Foul in the number 18. Substitution. Chance. 19. We have 6 minutes and 16 remaining time. Third quarter na po tayo mga kaibigan. We have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 18 inbound. Back to number 06. Back to number 18. Back to the alley. Maganda ng pasa. Shot clock on the 10. Number 10. Oy! Super pakita ko po sa itaas. Nakawalan po ng foul. Oh, well, jersey number 31. Number 31. First person foul. Second inbound. Shot clock down to 10. At a 5 steal. Pick up by number 29. Tatlo dalawa lang sila mga kaibigan. Hindi bumaba yung mga kaibigan. Ayan na, bumito. Pass to number 06. Okay, kaya mo na dyan. Pay! Number 6, one up! Rebound by number 6. Uy, nakakapula. Tuloy-tuloy. Pay! Wala. Hirap kayo natabangan po ng front sa itaas. Power and this is number 21. Number 21, first personal foul, second team foul. 5 minutes, 12, 48-29. Okay. Unang tira, number 6, connect, 30, 48. Kung tira na, 10 points. Second goal, ready for rebound. Okay. Wala po pumasok, 31-48, with 5 minutes and 9 seconds to make time. After moving back to number 23 here. 5 on the downtown short. Rebound by number 18. Nagmamadali. Sa ilalim na tukot. Uy, wala epekto. Rebound by number 44. Nagmamadali siya sa kanya pa. Pass to number 19, number 19 dito. Ang ganda ng decision. Connect new point, number 19. Bitirano po mga yan. Official score 50-31. We have 4 minutes and 34 remaining time. That's the third quarter. Pass to number 6 in the corner. 15 on the shot clock. 5 on the downtown. Nazad. Uy, bakit sa kanila pa rin ang iman? Last to Gary. Left hand. Ang ganda. Yes. Ayan po ba kayo? 52-31. 4 minutes more time. 4 minutes. Number 6. Last one, number 76. Kuting iyan lang. Tapos number 19. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 18. All along. Bang! 3 points. Bang! Ibang kulating assist niya na yan, ha? Ayan na po mga kaibigan, 55-31 with 3 minutes and 30 remaining time. Third quarter. Number 31. Galing tayo. Sa ilalim. Ay, ang hirap naman talaga. Ang hirap kumuha ng score. Ayan na. Wala pa sa kanil pa ng rebound. Ay, hindi pa rin ang mga tanggulang. Sa kanila pa rin ang rebound. Ayan na. 20 shot na. Number 8. Up. Dito na yata natutulog yan eh. Dito natutulog yan eh. Ayan na po mga kaibigan, 57-31 with 250 really time. Kailangan, Tista Mundo! Ang hirap naman. Ang hirap ito ha. Ayan na. Ay! Isang nagtintis ni short. Okay. Ayan na. 59-31. Lumubog na po mga kaibigan. 2 minutes and 25 a minute. 2 minutes and 25. Sa kabila, ang hirap po ba ng ito? Sama-sama dito sa kabila. Ang easy-easy lang yung mga kaibigan. Then to shoot! 5 minutes up! Shoot! Shout to shoot! Ayan na. Nakatatong. Nakaparami ka na yan. Nalabas mo na si Mr. Kumari. 1 minute and 54 minute time. Ayan. Number 21 to more! Nakitaas, natawagan po ng foul. Foul when it is number 27. Actually, sorry, 29. Number 29. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Walang tira, number 21. We have under 1 minute and 39 remaining time. 59-31 official score. Second row. Yes, correct. 60-31. Walang kahirap-hirap po mga kaibigan. Ayan na po. Nasa third quarter na po tayo mga kaibigan. Number 6 in the baseline move. Baseline wala pa rin. Rebound by number 29. Sa kanila. May ganda kapilan. Baka po ganito sa kanya. Ibang natawagan po ng foul. Foul by jersey number 21. Number 21, second personal foul. 30 foul. Two free throw number 29. This time, baka naman makapasok. Ang hirap kumuha ng score. Ayan! 32-60 official score. A minute and 8 seconds score away. Second row. Wow, ayan na po. 33-60. We have 60 seconds more to play. Captain by number 23. I just think they kick ball by 14 on the shot clock. 50 seconds more to play. Uy, may rebound. Sakanya pala ko. Ang position, kabila. With 30 seconds for the play. Okay. 19, shot clock is off. Number 18. Down to 10. Number 18. Balance! Low 2 points. We have 5 seconds more. Yes, the end of our third quarter. Official score 65. Coming up next, our second game, Jambo versus Bishia. Our second game for today is Jambo versus Bishia. Our first game is the Team Kasim versus Ladies and gentlemen, starting now for a fourth and final quarter official score, 60-35. Wala dito, may jump ball po tayo, may jump ball. Fourth quarter na po tayo. Okay, mula po sa Tabok. Sa pagbansang libangan ng bayan, siksik ang mga larong ating nasakrihan. Naging pa rin bawat na. Now it's starting now for fourth and third quarter. Number 24. Back to number 30. Number 30 in and out. The one by number 29. Number 80 now is for long. Pass to number 18. Came out to number 18. Tumira. This time nag-retreat. Rebound is only. Sa kanya pa rin. Back to number 28. Easy to point off. Kanya pagkuha ko kay Lalem. Foul by the jersey number 11. Pushing foul. Second personal foul, number 11, first team foul. Uzi, pass to Orpidia, back to Uzi. 15 on the shot, back to Mira sa 3 point. Ang ganda niya! Wow! 3 points, number 7, Pangan! Ibang klaseng without Mr. Pangan. Oh, kahit siya nga eh, na-surprise. 63-35. Ito mga kalahit sa akin kay number 28. Nakalakal na ng foul. False foul, wow, number 30. Right jersey number 30. First personal foul. First team foul. Two free throw awarded to number 28. Official score 63-35. We have 10 minutes and 15. Unang bilang. Okay, second international waiting for rebound. Number 28. Sayang. Ayan na, Mr. Pangan. Mr. Pangan. Foul pa sila rin. Intercity by number 18. Number 18 now. Pass to number 28. Nasa kanyang pula. Number 18. Bakante ko sa people na. Pass to number 11. Tumira ang ganda. Boy score. Bakit number 30? Hindi mahawak-hawakan. Tapos number pass to number 14. Orpilia. Orpilia na ako. Alam nila lamang na mga pula. Number 24. Biglang pasa sa ilalim. Oy, pangalawang tira! Ay, hindi ka na. Diba, may number 32. Pass to number 11. Nasa harapan, pass to number 28. Nasa harapan sa Mr. Jose. Kick out to number 11. Number 18, running jumper. Nagabang sa kanilang pula. Nakuha number 30. Number 30, pass to number 77. 77 now, Mr. Pangan. Long pass to number 14. Lamang po sa mga kayo. 63-36. Balikan po mga kaibigan. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Mr. Pangan sa ilalim. Number 14 shoot. Orpilia, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 11. 1-1. Number 11, pass to Lucy. Up. Doing sa Milo. Ang ganda! Nakalusot! Ibang ulan! Ayan na, kailangan po ng maestro mga kaibigan. 63-38. We have 9 minutes and 20 minutes. Mahaba po po mga maestro. Ang oras mahaba po po. 9 minutes and 18. Orpia. 15 on the shot clock. Pangan. Shot clock down to 10. Uzi.
Ay!
Shot clock down. Okay, bola sa kabila. Puro na shot clock. Wala, rebound by Sean Mays. Number ang bakante yun, siniglas! Bumabas! Rebound by number 7. Okay, pass to number 7. Pangan now. Control lang ang ball. Alamang tumira agad! Uy! Rebound mo, akin yan. Diba, number 29, long pass. Ang sigaw ng bola. Ay! Puti-puti ka na. 8 minutes and 23 remaining time. 63-38 ang score. Take out ng number 7. Ang ganda ng bitaw. Short! Rebound, kitang-kita. Rebound by number 11. Number 11 now. Nagpapatid. Tatlo ang batay. Isa lang sila. Umikot. Wala na kayang patahan. Pass to number 28. Number 21. Ay! Nakapit ang bola! May natawagan ko. Foul will be number 28. Lacking foul number 28. First personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. Pasok po. Melencio, pumasok mo pa kaibigan, number 7. Melencio. 15 on shot, nakakindol number 30. Wow! Takbong mayaman, oh. Ngiting, ano, oh. Kung klase pagganda ng bitaw, pasok. Kiting-lingkong dati, sino? 65, 37 minutes and 15 minutes. At iba naman yun ay ang ganda na pasa! So, kunting minuto na. South, sino siya? South, tawag? Sayang, ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Okay, pasok mo mga kaibigan. After the score po mga kaibigan, 65-48. We have 7 points more away. Mahaba pa po ang oras. Melencio, pass to Palas! Uy, wala. Rebound by number 18. Number 18, pass to number 18. Number sa Melencio, sa harapan, hindi iniwanan ni Melencio. Tatakip! Natawagan ng foul. Illegal is foul. Number 7, Melencio. First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Bakit out? Kasi nanigil ang dapat. Okay, back to the game. Official score of 65-38 with 6 minutes and 30. Tumira. Oh! Ganda number 18. Ano tumira niya? 18? Okay. Oh, 2 points at 2 points time. Okay. Official score 40-65. Okay. Dalawang 18 po dyan. Basket ka? Okay, sige. Ang panitong tayo. Ayan na, official score 67-40. Pass to number 21. Tumira agad. Wala. Ay, wala dito. Number 18. Number 18, umikot ang ganda mo. Pass to number 18. Sasim, Maxim, Kamen! Kamen! Chance time out! Tabuk. Official score, we have 30. Time out, Tabuk, with 5 minutes and 28 remaining time, 67-42.
Tapos, kuning the game, pagka yung running time tayo, di ba? Pero pagka matagal yung bola na health, stop yung
with 5 minutes and 28 remaining time. Fourth and final quarter. Okay, back to the game. We have 5 minutes and 27 remaining time. 67-42. The score. Tabuk with 67 points. Back to the downtown. Bang! Ibang klase. Number 18. Ayan na po. Lumupo na mga kaibigan. 17-42. On the shot clock, number 6. 3 points, number 6. Ayan, 17-45. Kailangan, uy, nakapit. Out of bounds. 19 on the shot clock with 4 minutes and 45 remaining time. Fourth and final quarter. Official score 17-45. In favor of Tabuk. Ay, bakante! Nag-i-step. Ayan na, bakante ba naman ulit. Shot clock 14. No! Ayay! Sino kaya? Same ball. 10 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Nice. Only 2 points. Sleeping on the line. Only to referee Ray. Okay. 45-72 official score. We have 4 minutes and 18. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Wala, in and out. Diba? There's a whistle. Following just in number 06. Chance time out. Cassian. With 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Last foul foul. We're just in number 06. First personal foul. Second team foul. Okay, correction. Second personal foul number 06. second team foul.
Second game, prepare lang ako.
Okay, coming up next, second game, Yambo versus Bishop. Coming up next, just prepare. Prepare po, second game, Yambo versus Bishop. Yambo, ang layo ah. We have now 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining time.
Bishia. Huh? Yabu versus Bishia.
Bishop versus Yambo. Second game, coming up next. Please prepare.
Bishia.
Back to the game. We have 4 minutes 45. 72-45. Captain Biden, the pass to number 18. Shot clock down to 12. Uy, nakapik ang bola. Pass to number 18. Number 18 na nakakatatak yung magkamatay. 2 minutes up! Pass it down! One high. Pass it down. Ball to the number 44. Number 44. First personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus Spectrum to make a 3-point play number 18. Official score 72-47. Medyo wala, rebound 19. Yan po mga kaibigan. 3 minutes and 47. Coming up next, Yambo. Second game, Yambo versus Bishia. Moy, nakuha na tabi ang bola. Ang ganda na mga dugot. Ayan na po, 3 minutes and 30. Medyo bumaba po ang news natin mga kaibigan. Number 9. Number 9. Wala naman kinagpatahan. Nag-isip pa si number 06. Number 06 going now. Number 12 on the shot clock. 12 on the shot clock. Down to 10. Captain by number 18 to Mura. Ang ganda! So, wala, di ba? Ay, nakapik pa rin. Hindi mahawak na bola. Nakapik. Okay, same ball. We have 14 on shot clock. 14 is shoot. 3 minutes and 13. 14 on the shot clock. Number 26. Shot clock. Number 10. Number 6. Captain sa ilalim. Ang ganda! Ay, medyo malakas ang nakilala namin yan. Rebound sa kanila pa rin. Pass it down. Ayan po, 72-49. We have 2 minutes and 50 remaining time for the final quarter. Cut into number 18. Oh! Muntik-muntikan ng mga. In the back of senior foul committee wearing jersey number 06. Number 06, third personal foul. 13 fouls. Coming up next, second game, just prepare, Bishop versus Yambo. Maghapon po tayo, mga kaibigan. Okay, walang tira ni Mr. Pertusi. Wala. We have 2 minutes and 45 remaining and 72-49. Okay. Single free throw by Mr. number 18. 73-49. 4 minutes and 44 minutes. Number 06. Captain by. Ang ganda, second chance. Wala pa rin. Talaga naman pag minamalas. Number 18. Okay. Number 18. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 40. Pinalik ko na, no? Talaga naman, unselfish play by number 40. Pinalik pa. Ayan po. Passing to number 06. Pinapakante ko na kaibigan. Dinidinig. So, uy, natapik sa itaas. Wala. Pinakawa. Okay, we have now 2 minutes more to play. 59, 51, wala. Okay. Gumaganda na po ang laban mga kaibigan. Ayan na, gumaganda. Nagkakaroon po ng buhay at nabaligin. Power sa sayang. Substitution. Tawag po, tawag. Substitution, may substitution po tayo. Kasin. Okay, one more time. We have 1 minute and 56 remaining time. Okay, nasa last 2 minutes na tayo mga kaibigan. 73-51 to be still score. Captain may number 14 or Pilla. Ang ganda ng bitaw ng Pilla. Siya lang yung mali sa kita, pero nakapasok. Ibang klase. 1 minute and 40 remaining time. 75-51. Ayan na. Number 06. Rebound is on Wiz. Okay. Sayang. We have 1 minute, we have 90 seconds for play. Iwoy, Pilla na naman. Ayan na po, 7-7-51. Okay. Coming up next, second game, Bishop versus Bianco. Wow! Tira na po 18. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Kaya lang, pagkakadaan ko mga kaibigan. Oh, hintay ka lang, dyan ka na lang. Tira naman po. Wala. Ay! Orquídea. Yes, 40 seconds for the play. Chance passing. With 40 seconds for the play. 51 against 79. Coming up the second game. Yanko versus Yanko versus Pizza second game. Okay, back to the game. We have 40 seconds remaining time. 79. 51. Okay, back to the one. We have 38 seconds for the play. 79. 51 out of the score. 15 on the shot clock. And the shoot. 500 now, number 18. 3 points. We have 18 seconds. Shot clock is officially off. 15. Orquídea. 10 seconds. Shot clock is off. 8 seconds. 5.
Tara.
It's the end of our first game. Congratulations to Steve Sabong for winning 81 against 54. Our